How to create or add a home screen page on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, tap and hold on our app icon. So continue tap and hold until it start jiggling. Now drag the app icon to the left or right side, and then the home screen page will be created. So now you can see there is a new home screen page. Now to remove this new home screen page, follow the same steps. Tap and hold on the app icon and then drag it to the previous screen, and after that home screen page will be removed. So that's how you can create a home screen page on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.